Nice. All succulent plants. Cactus. All cactus plant. You water it, Pani?
One. Succulent.
Yeah, this one is nice. Rubber tree. Oh, that's a lot. Lot of work, huh? This one is nice. This one.
Succulent.
Yeah. This one pretty.
Yeah.
That's a lot. Ambo. There you go, guys. We have a lot of succulent plant.
Orchid.
Which one? That one? This one?
No.
Oh, the one here. This one is orchids. Okay. What is this? Chili?
Chili.
Dalicorsani?
Dalicorsani.
Oh, this is a big tree of Dalicorsani.
Maples.
Where? Japanese maple? Oh, okay. Maple tree. This one orchids too? Orchids?
Orchid no.
No? Yeah. This one I will take only one leaf. One or two leaves. I'll bring to Canada.
Christmas tree.
Christmas. We call it poinsettia. This one I like. This one. Very nice. It's a lot, huh? Oh, queen. I forgot cow in Nepali.
Guy.
Guy?
Guy.
Okay, this is guy. Guy in guy. We call it guy. Only two?
Two.
Duta?